In this tutorial, we are going to cover a student, and we're going to look into the aspects of a student in both the courses that he or she is enrolled in, along with the professional development events that he or she has attended, and will look into attending in the future. To begin, we're going to launch our mobile application and log in, so we'll do that now. As our app begins to launch, we'll notice that it starts you out on this feed page. And from here, we're going to click the top left tab and go over to students so we can look at one student. We'll start by clicking on Stephen McCoy just out of simplicity, as he is the first name here in our list of students. And right here, you'll be able to see a number of information about Stephen. You'll see his name, his first last name, his student ID number, and over here and under related, you'll be able to see the courses he's enrolled in, as well as the events that he's already attended. The two courses that Stephen is enrolled in, you'll see are MIST4610 and MIST5750. If we go back, you'll be able to see the one professional development event that Stephen has attended so far, and if you look even further into it, you'll be able to see the date that this event was attended on. So you'll see that this was attended on February 23rd of this year in Adderhold Hall. And now let's go back, and when you begin to think about this, Stephen in these MIS courses is required to attend 5 total professional development events in order to satisfy his professional development criteria and get 100% credit in that portion of his grade. So with that being said, the semester is getting pretty close to an end, and we're going to want to search for some events coming up in the near future that Stephen can attend to satisfy this professional development requirement. So when we go back to this tab over here on the left, you'll see a section called Events, and we're going to click on this section. Lucky for Stephen, once we click all events right here, we'll notice that there are a number of events left, and it'll be very easy for him to attend the 4 more that he needs to get full credit. And let's say hypothetically that Stephen wanted to just get this done really quickly and get this done in the next week. We can filter these results into the next week so that he can see what's coming up in the next week and if there are enough events to fulfill his professional development requirements. We'll go to Add Filter, and then we'll filter by date. Click Apply. And it's going to prompt us to type in these dates. So we'll start with today's date, which is the 30th of March. And we'll go just about a week to April 7th of 2017. Let's apply this filter, and we'll see which results we get. As you can see, we're getting results for 4 events, which is how many Stephen needs to fulfill his professional development requirements. And if he wanted to look further into any of these events, he can go ahead and click on them, and he'll see the date and location of these events, as is seen right here. He could do that for all 4 of these events, and if he attended all, he would get complete professional development credit. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it very helpful.